Pre-orders of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, I hope I'm getting that right, just went live a couple of days ago, and this phone looks great. It looks amazing. In fact, this is what the Samsung Galaxy Fold 1, the first one, should have been. But that price tag though, let's talk about it. Hey guys, welcome to Retethered Tech. My name is Jonathan, and this is Last Week in Tech, where we're going to talk about the biggest stories last week in tech, which was the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, available finally for pre-order. It's available for $2,000. Yes, that's a hefty price tag, but you're getting state-of-the-art technology. You're getting that true folding display, and the design just looks so much better than the first generation Fold. I mean, I personally think it looks amazing, but I want to compare it to another folding phone, the Microsoft Surface Duo. And technically, in my opinion, the Surface Duo isn't a folding phone. And yes, I guess it folds closed, it has a hinge, but it doesn't have a folding display like the Galaxy Z Fold 2 does, or the Z Fold, or the Z Flip. All those actually have a folding display. The Surface Duo does not have a folding display. It has two displays that fold closed. It's like an LG V60 with a dual screen case. That's what it is. But the problem with the Microsoft Surface Duo is the price tag as well. It's also really expensive, $1,400. And that's my issue with these folding phones. Technically, the Surface Duo shouldn't be that expensive when you look at the internals. For example, let's compare it to the LG V60. The Microsoft Surface Duo has a Snapdragon 855 processor, so it doesn't have the latest flagship processor. But the LG V60 has the Snapdragon 865 processor. And you might think, well, the Microsoft Surface Duo just has that beautiful design, and that's why it has maybe a less of a processor. But consider this, the LG V60, I can find it right now for less than $900. In fact, I went online and I found it on T-Mobile with the dual screen case for $700. That's half the price of the Microsoft Surface Duo. So ask yourself, is having less specs, having less flagship specs, and a beautiful design worth double the price for you? That's where I kind of have an issue with these folding phones. Even the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, it looks amazing. It has that state-of-the-art cutting-edge technology, but it's still $2,000. It's really expensive for a smartphone. So I just wanted to do a comparison. I wanted to see how much $2,000 gets you in tech. So let's do a comparison here. I can get a Razer Blade 15 base edition, which is an ultra-fast gaming laptop, and a Pixel 4a, which is a great budget smartphone with a great camera. Both of those devices comes to less than the Galaxy Z Fold 2. And if you like Apple, check this out. An iPhone SE for $400, an Apple Watch Series 3 for $200, an iPad for $329, and a base model MacBook Air with an i3 processor for $1,000. And it would still be cheaper than the Galaxy Z Fold 2. Now I get it, those are entry-level products, those are base products, but you get a lot for $2,000. Like, you can be really deep inside that Apple ecosystem. Like, there's no way out. If you spent $2,000 on these products, there's no way out of the Apple ecosystem. That's how far in you are, and that's how much $2,000 gets you. And that's my issue with these folding phones. For me, they're just still not worth it. I mean, it's great to be able to have a phone and a tablet in one, but when you can actually buy a good phone and a tablet for a lot less money, it just doesn't make sense for me personally. Now, if you have the money, if money isn't an issue for you, then yeah, go out and buy the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. I'm sure it's great. I'm sure the reviews are going to come back that this is the best folding phone yet. And Samsung did a lot of great things with it. They finally fixed that outer display, right? It finally looks nice. I mean, when you look back at the Samsung Galaxy Fold 1, the first generation Fold, it just looks like a prototype, especially when you compare it to the second generation. The second generation just looks so much better. For me, like I said before, that is what the Galaxy Fold first generation should have been. They should have never released that first generation Fold. But still, I'm hoping that as this technology continues to advance, cheaper smartphones with folding displays start to come out, and hopefully that's when these phones can start to be worth it, at least for me personally. Especially right now, because there are so many great budget smartphones. You can find a great smartphone right now for less than $500. That's how this market is right now. So really, it's kind of hard to justify spending $2,000 on a smartphone unless you really need it, unless you can justify it for yourself. But those are just my thoughts. Those are just my opinions. What do you think? Are you planning on buying any of these folding phones, these folding display smartphones? Let me know with a comment down below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos just like this one on tech news, reviews, and opinions, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thanks for watching.